Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can check your library section and how you can upload your content in the library section on Vimeo. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do simply we have to go to the library section, and after going to the library section, as you can see, has the upload option. So we have to click on the upload. If you want to create a new folder, you can also do it. You have to click on the create a new folder, and you have to provide the name. For example, I'm going to write the name here random, and after that we have to hit the create button. And after clicking on the create button, as you can see, the new folder will be created. Now simply what we have to do, we have to go to the library section. Now if you want to upload a content, you can also do that. You have to click on the upload, and after clicking on the upload, now you have to choose that which type of content you want to upload. For example, I want to upload this video, so I have chosen this. I have chosen this video, and I have click on the open. And now as you can see, this video is uploading. It can take few seconds or few minutes in uploading your video. It's up to your device, it's up to your internet speed. If your internet will be fast, then the video will be uploaded fast. And after the completion of uploading this video, the video will be added in your library section. So in this way you can manage your library. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.